Short speech on farewell. If you want to reach heights and soar high, you need to have the courage and willpower to leave the ground below. A very good morning to everyone present here. I am the senior professor for the class of 2022, and today, as we bid them goodbye, I would like to share a few words for them. Never thought this day would knock on our doors so soon. I never had the time to pause and reflect on how much I would miss the moments I spent with this batch, but here we are. As we grow comfortable with our present surroundings, life demands change and we must unwillingly or willingly comply. As bittersweet memories cloud my mind, I look back at all the memories I have gathered with them, all the troubles we have shared, and all the achievements we have celebrated together. I could not have asked for a better group of students as my very own family. Through thick and thin, we have been together. The trips, competition and assignments accomplished together will stay close to my heart as we made so many fond memories together. I would like to thank each one of you present here for adding value to my life and for giving me a bag full of memories. The entire organization can always dive into them whenever the going gets difficult. I express my sincere gratitude to all my students and send my best wishes for their future endeavors. I believe each one of you is a gem and will take the learnings gathered here to a higher level of prosperity. Good luck.